Hello there, this is Deborah. Today I am making a facial butter for one of my grandkids who underwent chemo and radiation treatments for cancer. Where the radiation was applied, at the very end of his treatments, he had a few more treatments to go, it left his face red, bruised, and somewhat burnt. So I wanted to make him something to see if it would help. So the oils and butters that I'm using today, it has been said, have some wonderful healing properties in them. So I'm just making a basic facial butter here. I'm not making an emulsified body butter or anything because I didn't want to use the water, preservative, and things like that. I just wanted to make this as natural as possible. I'm also using that lavender essential oil there. Now, the butter that I'm making is just regular whipped butter, where you just heat it up, not too hot, just enough where you can melt it. And you want to either heat it up in a double boiler, or you can heat it up in the microwave, but you have to be very careful not to burn any of the properties in the oils. Now I'm adding some vitamin E here that will help help the life of the butter here. Once again, this is just a regular facial butter that you can make at home. Now, if you're looking for an emulsified body butter, up above is a link I've linked there where I have made emulsified body butter that will help you, that will actually take you from start to finish. It is in a tutorial, and it will take you every step of what you need to do to make the emulsified body butter. Now here I have put this in the freezer for just a little bit, and it looks like I need to put it in there a little bit longer so I can get it firmed up just a little bit more. So here I have firmed up the butters and oils, not too much. You don't want to make it too firm or it's too hard to whip. You have to melt it all over again. So here I have it just firmed enough where I can whip it. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be whipping some air into the butters here to make it nice and creamy. This is really a very easy process that you can do very easily. It's not really complicated at all. So once again, I have some really good butters and oils with some wonderful healing properties. Now, I don't claim healing to anything that I make because this is not a pharmaceutical product. This is a handmade product that's specially made for my grandson, or when I'm selling the products, I don't claim healing to any of my products also. But if you read about the properties in some of the oils and butters, you will see that they have some amazing healing properties, as well as really good for the skin. So here I'm just basically whipping. It takes a little bit of whipping. I actually did a double whip for this body butter because I really wanted it really airy and fluffy. Now, the only thing about making just a regular body butter, a facial butter, it will melt when it gets hot. So if you was interested in a butter, a face butter, or a body butter that didn't melt in the summertime, then that would be when you would use the emulsified method. And once again, at the top of the video here, I have a link that you can go to that will take you from beginning to end of how to make an emulsified body butter. The reason I'm making this butter, this type, in the summertime now is because I didn't want to add anything that would add any preservative or water, because if you do make emulsified body butter, you will have to add water, and where there's water you will have to add a preservative. And since this was just for an area in his face, although he used it all over, I just wanted to be just the butters themselves, butters and oils. So here I'm just packing it up for him. He said he loved the way it smells, that lavender smell. Also, lavender is really calm and soothing. So if you like this video, I hope you would give it a thumbs up. It's a very short video, but I just wanted to share with you what this butter, how it worked, and how good it worked on his face, as you will see in the video here. It worked out really good. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I have not been idle. I've been very, very busy with the family, with other things, but hopefully I can get more videos, content up soon. But thank you so much for hanging around. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for being here with me. Have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.